Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on Threads. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you search about the application of Threads and you will click here in this window. Then in this page, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.